Hi children, today is our new topic, that is Unit 5, numbers up to 50. In previous year learned addition up to 10 and subtraction up to 10. Now numbers up to 10. You learn number names also, no? 11 to 20 and 1 to 10. Now numbers up to 50. You don't know how to arrange the numbers in tens and ones column. Now see, tens and ones. Maybe you are thinking, what is this teacher is writing this ones and tens and ones column. Yes, now you see only single circles I will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again this 10 makes one group. Yes. In this also one garland, how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many are there in this one? In one bunch 10 are there. Here only singles are there. Yes, is equal to, here what is this? 10 is equal to 110. Got it children? Singles I took 10. Yes, is equal to one garland, one bunch garland. How many are there in group? That means in group, in one garland how many are there? 10 is equal to 10. Here 10 in this garland, one bunch how many it is there? 10 are there, is equal to 110. Next one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Is equal to, in garlands how many should arrange here? 10 and one more 10. It become 20, no? See here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here how many circles are there? Singles 20 are there. Again 10 completed. Again how many you need? One more also you need, like this. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is equal to how many? 10 plus 10? 20. Is equal to 2 tens means for 2 you are adding tens. 2 into 10 is equal to 2 tens. 20. You got it, no? 2 into 10, 2 tens means 20. Again next 10 completed, 20 completed, now 30. Count how many singles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again still how many we need? Still 20 we need. 1, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 completed. Again how many you need? Still 10. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Total how many this one? 30. In this garland, in one garland how many you can arrange? 10. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 completed. Still how many you need? One more. Still 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 completed. Again one more garland. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one garland, how many are there? 10. 20 and 30 is equal to 30 is equal to 3 tens. 3 into 10 is equal to 30 means for 3 tens means so is equal to 30. 3 tens is equal to how much? 30. In previous just now I explained no children how to arrange one sentence with singles and one bunch. Now here one sentence I am writing in ones column 0 and in tens column 1. What number it became? 10. Spelling of 10 is equal to TEN 10. Here in ones column 0 and in tens column 1. What it became? 1 0 10 and spelling of 10. Next one tens and ones. Yes, next number 10 completed. Next number 0 is in ones column and 2 is in tens column. What it became? Is equal to 20. Spelling of 20 TWENTY 20. You wrote number and divided into number into ones and tens column. Again you should write spelling of 20 also. Number name of 20 also you should write. Next one ones and tens. Next number what children? Yes, you tell. Yes, 30. 0 is in ones column, 3 is in tens column. What it became? Is equal to 30. Number name of 30 THIRTY 30. Yes. Next number tens and ones. Next number 30 completed. Next 0 is in ones column, 4 is in tens column. What number it became? 40. 40 spelling FORTY 40. Here you will be not coming. Spelling of number name of 40 FORTY 40. Here also ones and tens. What number it became? Next number 40. 0 in ones column and 5 is in tens column. What it became? 50. Spelling number name of 50 FIFTY 50. Yes children, you understood this? Now next topic children, the 20s means looking at the number line you have to write 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. For these numbers you have to write now number names. Now look at the board carefully and listen. Count and write the numbers. Here you see one. Here I am taking one bunch of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One bunch completed. First we are taking 20 number. Again one more bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In one bunch 10 is there, in one more bunch 10 is there. What became? 10 plus 10, 20. In ones column nothing it is there. 2 tens, 0 ones is equal to 20. Spelling of 20 children? TWENTY 20. Next number what it is? 21. How many bunch of grapes you have to take? 2 bunch and singles how many you have to take? Only 1. Now see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more bunch. How many grapes will be there in one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 tens it completed. Again one single. 2 tens. How many single it is there? 2 ones. 1 1. 1. What it became? 21. Spelling of 21. TWENTY 21. 21. Next 21 complete. Next number 22. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 bunch complete became 20. And how many singles you have to take? 1, 2. What it became? 2 tens. How many singles are there? 2 ones. What number it became? 22. Spelling of 20. Number name of 22. TWENTY 20. TWO2. 22. Next number 22 after 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 20 completed. In one bunch 10 is there, one more bunch 10 is there. Next, how many singles? 1, 2, 3. 2 tens. How many? 3 ones is equal to 23. Spelling of 23, children. TWENTY 20. THREE 23. Now 23 number complete. Next number 24. 'In one bunch, how many grapes will be there? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what is this number? 24. How many singles? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 tens and 4 ones. What it became? 24. Spelling of 24. TWENTY 20. FOUR 24. Next number 24 completed. After 24, 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 completed. Again, what is this number? 20. How many singles you have to take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What it became? 2 tens, 5 ones is equal to 25. Spelling of 25. TWENTY 20. FIVE 25. Next number 25 after 26. Take one bunch of grape. In that 10 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more bunch. In that also 10 will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 25 completed. Again 20. Yeah, how many singles you have to take? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 tens 6 ones. 20 is equal to 26. Number name of 26, TWENTY 20 SIX 26. Next 26 after 27. How many you have to take bunch of grapes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And one more bunch. In that also 10 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 20 completed. Again 6 after what number? 7. Singles 7 you have to take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What number it became? 2 tens and 7 ones is equal to 27. Number name of 27, TWENTY 20 SCVEN 27. Next number children, 27 there it is completed. Next number 28. Already two bunch of grapes are there. How much we add here? 8. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What it became? 28. 2 tens, 8 ones. Spell number name of 28, TWENTY 20 EIGHT 28. Yes, next number 29. Already two bunches are there. How much you should add here? Singles, that means 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total what it became? 29. Now 2 tens, 9 ones. Number name of 29, TWENTY 20 NINE 9. I hope you understood children. Here only it will be there. 2 tens and 8 ones means 28. You should write in box 28 number and number name of the 28. Now in your textbook like this only some number names are there. That is page number 77 and 78. 40s.